Model 2019 Ford Transit Connect 1.5 TDCI Limited Euro 6 spares OR repairs. Body white, panel van. Mileage 78,802. MOT the 1st of March 2024. Engine 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120ps S6H. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner cam belt is broken, the engine will need repairing. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, start-stop, cruise control, air con, electric windows, 2 keys, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear.